Hi, I'm Chef Andy, best-selling author of the Fruits and Greens Diet. I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy strawberry blueberry smoothie. You'll need a good blender, about a cup of frozen strawberries, a cup of frozen blueberries, a nice fresh banana, and about a cup of milk. I'll be using almond milk for this recipe, but you can use any kind of milk you'd like. Open up your blender, add the milk first, there you go. Here come my strawberries. Whoop, in one big clump. Sometimes that happens when they're frozen. And my blueberries. I'm using wild blueberries today. Make sure you break up your banana. Just kind of makes it a little easier to blend. Cover it up and blend for about a minute. When your smoothie has finished blending, remove the lid, pour, and enjoy. I'm Chef Andy, and that's how you make a strawberry blueberry smoothie.